In my last video, I had told y'all I'll be back to finish the master bath. I was just waiting on a product. So let me give a disclaimer real quick. Some of the links may be affiliated links. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. May get paid if you buy something or take action after clicking one of these links. So I just wanted to get that out there because I am going to put the link to what I purchased just in case you're interested for your bathtub. This was the cheapest one that I found. It was about $17. Now I looked at some that were like in the 40s to 50s. I was like, oh God, I don't need all that just to get in the tub. So the price was $18.59. But if you click the little button that says 10% off, that's what I purchased. And down here, it'll give you additional 10% off. So I think I paid like 17 and some change. So it is a full body bath pillow luxury mesh foam bath mat. We're gonna open this up and let's see what it looks like. Because like I mentioned before, I have issues trying to get out of the tub, and I have a bad right knee, and I thought this would be nice just to have just a little cushion, you know, at the bottom of the tub. And this is how long it is. It is, I don't know, it doesn't seem like there's a lot of cushion on here, the pillow, but it still will give me some type of nice support instead of always using a towel to put down on my knee. So I'm gonna get this in the tub and I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and I'll be back. Okay y'all, so I am in the bathroom now, as you see. And this is the mat. So let's see what it's going to look like. You lay it down there. I didn't push it down for the suction cups yet. I'll have to rearrange it like for my neck part to see, you know, the height adjustment. Probably won't, it'll stick better once I have, you know, I run the water on it. So let's do that real quick. Run the water. Once your body weight gets on it, it should stick. And my tub must be huge because it doesn't all the way go to the length, but my legs, I can't even, in order to enjoy this tub, I have to sit like Indian style anyway in this tub, or when I stretch out, my legs are way over there. So these garden tubs, they are really basically for people, no pun intended, 5'2" and under. If you're 5'7", 5'8", 5'9", 10, 6 foot, oh, these garden tubs, they're fabulous when you get in them, but child, you just, you know. So maybe one day I am going to upgrade this tub. I would like just to get the walk-in tub where there's a bench and it has the jets and everything. I have been pricing those, and they're about $3,000, and it will benefit, you know, the different elements that I have. So who knows? But yeah, I just wanted to get on and show you that, and that is really it for the master bathroom area. I wanted to like maybe get a board to go across But then I said, I am really not in the tub that long. I may get it in the future. I don't think it's necessary, being that I have, the wall space going around. I may be adding more and more pieces as I am in this bathroom. I may find stuff, in the garage, and may just add it, swipe some stuff out every now and then. I am going to get new white towels. I did find an old white curtain, shower curtain, so I do have that up. I am looking to, get a new one. I want to get 2 of them. So one, I had the other ones. One can go across here. And one can go over here to the right. But for right now, this is what I'm using. Because I like privacy, even though my door is shut, but I still like privacy when I'm in my bathroom. It's just so used to doing that, having a shower curtain when you only have that one piece. And now that I have the 2 separate pieces, it's just a habit. So yeah, I just put that up. Alright, so what I'm about to do right now, I got to go get a headscarf, but we are going to get to painting. So I just had the plastic from the Dollar Tree, and I measured it across like so. And a little extra, I'm just going to cut it in half. Now I'm only painting the outside of the cabinet and the drawer.